We're under a sniper attack here at the V8 Speed and Resto shop. And not that kind, this kind. This is the Holley Sniper fuel injection system. And right now in our shop, we have almost every variety installed on a car. Starting with the traditional Sniper, which has the Holley 4-barrel carburetor pattern. Our reloaded 1968 Camaro has a silver Sniper version on it. We've got a 1972 Plymouth Cuda with a small block, and it's got the classic gold finish on that one. We have a beautiful 67 Chevelle with a 396, and that one's wearing a black Sniper. And then this really limited production 1976 Trans Am is getting the new Sniper Quadrajet version. And there's a reason why these things are so popular. These Holley Snipers are a pretty easy way to convert just about anything to electronic fuel injection. And the other cars I mentioned all have a Holley pattern intake manifold, which makes those systems bolt right on. But people that had Firebird Trans Ams like this Pontiac here, or maybe a Buick or even a Cadillac, those cars didn't come with a Holley style intake manifold. And in fact, this car has a functional shaker scoop. So you could have put an adapter on a manifold, but that would raise the height of the carburetor or the fuel injection unit, which might screw up that alignment of the shaker hood scoop. Well, today, Holley now has the Sniper Quadrajet, and as you can see by the size of the throttle blades, it has the typical small and large primary and secondary throttles, just like a Rochester Quadrajet, and of course the bottom side looks the same way. So now this will bolt on directly in place of your Rochester Quadrajet carburetor without any adapters, which is pretty key if you want to keep the rest of the car all original, like our one of 100 and some Trans Am here. And these units are pretty cool. Inside these little compartments, they've got 400 pound-per-hour injectors. They're capable of supporting about 500 horsepower. The ECM is built right in, so you don't have to mount a computer anywhere. There's only a handful of wires to connect. Some of the sensors are built in. You put an O2 sensor that's supplied in your exhaust, and it comes with a handheld tuning computer. And once it's running, they reach operating temperature and they tune themselves. So that's why they're so popular. And you get all the benefits of electronic fuel injection, easy starting, better throttle response, better fuel economy. And yes, the Quadrajet version does come to life when you get into those secondaries and open up, but it's no longer a Quadra bog like a burned out carburetor. Not to say that Quadrajet carburetors are bad, but they're known for wearing out. This doesn't have that problem. We obviously do a lot of these installs here at V8 Speed and Resto. We're authorized Holley dealers, and our team are factory-trained Holley EFI techs. If you want one for your car, let us know. V8speedshop.com/EFI.